This is Realme C53, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. First, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. If you do not have it for this or that reason, just quickly download it from the Google Play Store. Then tap at this plus icon you should have. Then choose the scan option from the menu. Permit or allow Drive app to use camera. Then agree on the statement of use. Whatever. Then once the camera interface finally launches and you have an access to it, take your document and capture a photo of it. Or, well, just capture a photo. Then continue. Over here, we can edit the scan, we can change the color scheme, rotate it, or frame the part of the original photo that we would like to actually be a scan, since, as you could have noticed, the system incorrectly cropped the scan for me and framed only the small part of the text, or what I would want to be included in the final result. So now I will manually reframe it, then save the file or document. You can rename it as well, give it a few seconds to be uploaded to your drive, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.